What's up, main gang? Another day, another mane we gotta tame. So today, as y'all can see by the title, we're gonna be doing these boho twists, also called island twist. I'm just showing y'all my view. I have this 3-way mirror that I got from Amazon. It will be in the description in my storefront. I do use the spring twist 3-pack of hair and the 24-inch to complete this style. And I also use some jam. I'm gonna link the curly hair that I use to do the boho method. So it's going to be on the screen. Pay attention to that. I use that for the curls. So as y'all can see, I'm just smoothing that jam into my hair. That way I can create a nice and smooth part. I'm just parting my hair from ear to ear straight across the back because I like to part my hair into three sections just to begin. Like I said, I'm just using the jam and looking in the mirrors to straighten up my part, get a nice and clean part from my first section. And as y'all can see, I did another section in the front from ear to ear, but it's more over. That way I can have a smooth front section. I'm taking the African Pride braiding gel. I actually prefer the Eben braiding gel, but I ran out. So I'm just showing y'all how I did that. I parted my hair. And I'm taking a piece of the Marley hair. You pretty much just want to judge what size you want. I'm just showing y'all my view right here, what I can see. Like I said, there's a mirror behind me, and then I'm using the 3-way mirror. So today I'm going to show y'all 2 different methods. The first method that I'm showing y'all is like when you start out with a braid, but I don't know how to start an knotless braid, like with weave. So I'm going to show y'all a method if you don't know how to do that. So I take my hair, put it in 3 sections, put the Marley hair like across my hair, and then I start to plait just my natural hair without the Marley hair, but it is in between my hair, so that is how the hair is secured. And then after I've braided down about 3 times, I go ahead and just grab the 2 Marley pieces of hair and attach it to 2 pieces in my braid and go ahead and begin braiding. After I've braided the Marley hair down a couple of times, I go ahead and split the hair into 2 instead of 3, and I begin to twist. So y'all, to me this method is a little more complicated if you don't understand what I'm saying, but just watch and learn. And then I'm adding the curls. Like I said, I literally just added as if I didn't add anything. Just twist like normal. Add it to 2 pieces, the 2 pieces, and twist. And I leave both pieces in the braid, that way I can have 2 pieces of curl instead of 1. Like y'all can see, I separated 1 piece of curl that I was ready to get out and began twisting again. And now I'm taking out the other piece of that curl, like I said, that way I can have 2 pieces from that same hair. And I'm adding some extra hair just to get the braid or the twist to a longer length. And like I said, whenever I add hair, I just act like I'm not adding it at all. And just continue to twist. Add it to the pieces I already got and then continue to twist. So I leave the ends exactly how they are. I don't go all the way to the end. And then I'm taking mousse. On each twist, I go ahead and just add mousse to the curls. That way they're already maintained. I don't have to go back in the end and find the curls. So now I'm going to show y'all the other method. I'm actually going to show y'all this one twice. I'm going to split the hair into 2 instead of 3 this time. And then I'm showing y'all how to add the curl at the root of the hair as well. You just want to add the curl in between like your natural hair where you made the 2 sections. And I'm pinning away that curl. That way the longer side is out of the way. The shorter piece is going to be added into the twist. So when you do it, when you're starting with a twist, you want to twist one side to the right or either the left, whichever one you're comfortable with. But I'm doing it to the right. So I'm twisting one side to the right. And then I'm going to begin twisting the other side to the right as well. You want to twist whichever way you twist, do both pieces in the same direction. And then after that, after I twisted both pieces to the same direction, I'm going to take the twist and actually twist in the opposite direction. So I'm twisting the individual pieces to the right, and then I make the actual twist going towards the left. And this is going to secure your twist. I'm adding a curly piece, and like I said, you just want to attach that exactly as if it wasn't there. Place one side of the curl with one half of your twist, or one half, and the other half with the other, and then just begin twisting. Whenever you want to let a piece out, just pull the piece to the side and continue twisting like normal. You can also pin it up, put it in your mouth like I'm doing if it's in your way too much, and continue twisting. Now I'm just going to show y'all that second method a little bit closer up, because I feel like sometimes I explain things very confusing. So just watch and see what I'm doing. Again, I'm twisting the first part in the same direction. I'm going towards the right, which may look like going towards the left on the screen. So I'm twisting the first side to the right. The other side is still loose, as you can see. And then I'm going to go ahead and twist it in the same direction towards the right. And then as y'all can see, it's all twisted up. You can see it's twisted. So now I'm twisting it in the opposite direction. Just pay attention to my hands and see. Okay, she's twisting in the opposite direction. And y'all, this works perfect on my clients. Like, it's super tight when I do this on clients. It's the easiest method for me. But as y'all can see on my head, it's not super tight. It's just I can never get a good grip on my own hair when doing stuff like this. But hey, it's cute, boo. At the end, I go ahead and finish off with some mousse, just like any other style, just to tame any flyaways, make the hairstyle look a little more neater. And then I go in with some Got To Be Freeze spray. And for the end, since I didn't twist them all the way to the end or add the curly pieces at the end to finish the twist, I'm going ahead and using rollers just to save time instead of adding a curly piece to each end and twisting all the way down. No, boo. I'm using some rollers and we're going to get this done real quick. And I'm going to dip it in some hot water, boiling hot water that's been boiling this entire time. Well, not the entire time I've been doing my hair, baby, because it's a whole nother day. But yeah. And then after this is boiled, you want to go ahead and take off the rollers. Make sure it's dried before you take the rollers off. And this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notification bell. And make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my main channel as well. The channel name is Montasia Diarra.